The sixth petitioner also asserted that rounding off of votes cast in a presidential election as a means of assessing the threshold under Article 138(4) of the Constitution kills and bars voters, which is illegal and unconstitutional. We have deliberated on this proposition and found that it is not mathematically sound and that the rounding off done by IEBC and the chairperson was correct. Consequently, we find that the petitioners did not provide a watertight case to warrant the setting aside of the results of the presidential election on the basis of not having met the threshold provided under Article 138(4)(a) of the Constitution. On the voter turnout, therefore, we find that the formula predicated on the number of voters identified through Kim's kit progressively and used by IEBC and the chairperson to generate a percentage of 64.76% was correct. Having settled the issue of voter turnout, we must ask ourselves whether in the making of the declaration, the chairperson of IEBC applied the formula in Article 138(4) of the Constitution, which is total votes cast less rejected votes divided by 2 must always give 50% plus 1 vote. Given the numbers that were presented to us by IEBC and the chairperson, this will translate to 14,213,137 divided by 2 plus 1, which makes 7.106,569. The question that must inevitably follow is whether this formula, when applied, will confirm that 7,106,569 votes is less than 7.176,141, which represents the number of votes received by the first respondent. We find that it is, as such, on the basis of the foregoing formula and from the numbers provided by IEBC and the chairperson and the declaration by the chairperson of the president-elect on 15th August 2022, it is our finding that the declared president-elect attained 50% plus 1 of all the votes cast in accordance with Article 138(4) of the Constitution.